Hi there, Ronnie here, and welcome to your first PHP tutorial. Now, in this video tutorial, we are going to look at, we're actually going to introduce PHP. So what is PHP? PHP stands for Hypertext Preprocessor. PHP is an open source software, and it's very easy to use, and it's server-side scripting language like ASP. It's usually executed on the server. So in this tutorial, instead of actually me talking too much here, let me just jump in straight and show you guys how to you know go about making PHP work on your server. So actually we are not going to download because my browser here supports PHP and yours should definitely support PHP. So if you don't know how to if your browser doesn't support PHP, I recommend that you go ahead and download it from php.net, and this is the site that I am on. And on the download section right here, click on download complete. You can just choose which one to download, the current table. Now mine supports PHP, yours should definitely support. I mean, just try the Google Chrome, it definitely works. Now let's go ahead and just create our first PHP file, okay? So PHP is very easy. All PHP files have a .php extension. So if let me just open up Notepad++. Now I'll just close all this. This was a project I was working on, and this was on what do you call it? jQuery. So if you want to learn jQuery as well, guys, just check out my YouTube channel. Anyway, so this is PHP first video, and we are going to save this, save as, and I will save it in my XM folder. Now what XM is my local server. If you don't have a local server, you can just download XM. Just Google it and download XM. It's free to use and it's very easy and it's awesome. Instead of uploading via an FTP to a hosting client. Anyway, so I'll just go ahead and create a new folder here, and I'll say PHP toots. All right, so I'll just save it inside of here, and I'll say this is index.php. And like I said, guys, remember PHP files end with a .php extension, so we are going to save this one in a .php as well. So let's save that. Now let's go ahead and open that in our browser. Okay, so it's a localhost XM with the folder where it's PHP toots, and let's see that index.php. So it's a blank page. It's awesome. Now it's working. If you have a blank page like that, that means yeah, it should be working. If you want to see how it's written, it's just localhost xampp php toots index.php. So after you install xampp, it should look something like this. You have a congratulations, you're succeeding in the system. It's very easy and I love xampp. So let's go ahead and paste it there again, and let's go back to our local servers. Now let's create our first PHP file. All right. Okay, so I'll open back this, and now I'll write this and this and this, and then I explain what this stands for. Now this is a PHP syntax. Always a PHP file starts with that and ends with that. I can put it here so that you guys can see. So in here is where I can write my code. All right. So that is a PHP syntax, guys, and you should keep that in mind. This syntax can be placed anywhere in the document. Doesn't matter where you have to place it. So that is our first. I'll just introduce PHP syntax like that. And the next video tutorial, actually, let me tell you what. I'll try to keep this video short. All my videos, I'll try to keep them short so that you guys can, I've tried watching long videos before and they don't really give a good expression. So short videos actually tell me a lot because it's like a short video and I learn a lot and I learn everything to do with PHP introduction. So I hope you get the point. If I didn't make sense, don't worry about it, guys. Just subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.